Gentlemen, my name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. And I got a great question recently. Justin, how do you master frame control? Well, let's talk about your frame. Let's talk about frame battles. Let's talk about who you are and your frame as a man. So sit back, hang tight, and let's jump straight in. So you want to get good at having a strong frame, a strong sense of reality. Well, what is a frame? Well, a frame is a perception of the way you perceive reality. A frame is your confidence, your articulation, your ability to maneuver a social situation. It's the way you're positioned in a social dynamic. And what a frame is, it's your ability to maneuver whatever dynamic that is. And so how do you develop frame control? How do you develop a strong frame? And the best way you can do this is having frame battles. Practice makes perfect. Trial and error. Experiential wisdom, right? So frame battles. What is a frame battle? A frame battle is your ability to battle with other people, girls, guys, men, women, whoever, your sense of reality against theirs. A great piece of advice I can give to you is the strongest reality wins. Whoever holds their frame the longest wins. Whoever holds their sense of reality the longest wins. Whoever holds their sense of belief and what reality is wins. Whoever holds it longest fucking wins. That's how frame battles work. It's pretty powerful. That's like the number one rule with frame battles. Whoever holds their sense of reality and their perception of reality the longest, maybe you're having an argument with your girlfriend. Maybe you're having a business hiccup. Maybe you're just trying to pick up a girl and she's shit testing you. Whoever holds the frame the longest wins. It's really crazy how that works. And essentially what that means is being so grounded in your reality, so centered in who you are and the belief that you have in yourself that you win just by holding your fucking frame. You hold your frame and then you fucking win. It's really, really powerful stuff. Now, I just made an incredibly impactful course called Daygame Mastery. What you can do is go to daygamemastery.org. And what this entire course really is teaching you is how to master your frame, how to master your confidence, your social skills, your communication skills, and your ability to master frame control, social dynamics, situations, and how to just win all the fucking time, win every fucking frame battle you'd ever possibly have. Daygamemastery.org. It's a course, an album study guide that you learn to master your inner game, your inner frame, and your confidence, and then you kill it for the rest of your fucking life. We even have a full-length video where we talk about mastering frame control. Really powerful stuff. I highly recommend you go to daygamemastery.org and get a copy of the course. Now, let's say you don't want to get a copy of the course because you're a cheap fuck. You don't like to invest in yourself. You're a little bitch and you make a lot of excuses. And your life is nothing more than average. Well, hey, no problem, homie. I'm going to help you out anyway. You can sign up for our free VIP email list. Our free VIP email list, bro. Where we'll send you exclusive videos, content, and material. That'll help you actually start transforming your life, your dating life, your social life, your communication, and leveling up anyway for free, which is great. In fact, it's not free. It costs me money to even host you on my email list, but I'm willing to do that for you because I care about you. I want to see you succeed. I want to see you develop a strong frame, and I want to see you kill it in life with your dating life, your career, your income, everything. But obviously, I highly do recommend you get the Daygame Mastery course at daygamemastery.org. I'll see you there. So we're talking about frames. We're talking about mastering frame control. We're talking about mastering your communication. What I used to do back in the day is I used to go to the club and I used to almost pick fights with random guys, but not an actual fight, an emotional one. A social and emotional, fucking clash of reality. And what I would like to do is I would like to win, not through aggression, but through social, emotional diplomacy. It was really crazy how I would use my social communication skills to frame battle others and always come out on top, which allowed me to have a very strong, dominant, powerful, confident frame in anything I do in life. Now, anything I do, whether it's business, dating, girls, relationships, fun, friends, whatever, I always have a strong frame. It's really powerful. Now, if you want to learn more about frame control and frame battles and how to master frames, there's a book called Pitch Anything by Oren Klaff. Very powerful guide, fundamental guide to frame control. I highly recommend you check out Pitch Anything by Oren Klaff. This book is a game changer when it comes to learning the basics of frame control, but then also learning the fundamentals, but then also learning mastery of frame control. Pitch Anything by Oren Klaff. Very, very powerful. It's actually a book about sales, how to pitch yourself and how to carry yourself. And it's almost like you're the product and you carry yourself, and that's the frame. It's cool. And again, you can also get the Daygame Mastery course and learn how to master your communication, who you are, so you can master your frame control. Really powerful stuff, okay? Now, the best advice I can give to you, the best advice is be so grounded in your sense of reality that you always hold your sense of reality. The strongest reality wins. It's like Neo in the Matrix. Think about Neo in the Matrix, dodging bullets. If Neo were to jump off the roof and not fully believe in himself fully, if there's even a shred of doubt, a little chink in the armor, a little even ounce of doubt, he's going to fall and he's going to die. But if he truly, truly believes in himself, he's going to fly. He's going to fucking fly. Okay? That's frame control. That's how it works. Believe in yourself fully. The strongest reality wins. Okay? Be Neo in the Matrix and have a strong sense of reality. Back yourself up. You're your own best friend, and what you say goes. And you have your own back no matter what. Through thick and fucking thin. And it's that fucking simple. And that's honestly the basics of how you can quickly, effectively master frame control, but practice makes perfect. Get the Daygame Mastery course, guys. DaygameMastery.org. I'll see you there. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach and relationship expert. I love teaching you guys this stuff. So if you like this video, please subscribe here on our YouTube channel right now. Click the bell notification so you're notified of new videos. I love teaching this stuff, so I want you to see more of our content. And follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2. Follow me right now. Instagram.com/DrunkJustin2. I will see you there. And you can watch my daily Instagram stories. Watch me taking massive action on just stuff I'm teaching right now, frame control. And you can see that on my daily stories. You can message me if you have any questions. Then make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video if you liked it. Appreciate that. Thanks. Do it right now. Do it. Do it now. If you're still watching, stop. Go click the like. Do it now. Leave a thumbs up, motherfucker. Thank you. Appreciate you. Okay. And we'll see you guys in a new video. Don't forget to go to DaygameMastery.org. Get a copy of the Daygame Mastery course. If you're not, you're falling behind. You're losing time. You're losing opportunity cost. I'm thinking of all the beautiful women out there you can go meet. Think about all the crazy opportunities you can create for yourself. But because you're not in the right mindset, you don't have the right knowledge and information in your head, you're falling behind. DaygameMastery.org. I'll see you there. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach. I'll see you soon in a new video. Peace out.